How to make colorful notes on in Instagram. So yeah, guys, let's do this. So without being wasting time, so let's start. First off, open Instagram, and after that, tap on your man profile. Once you tap on, you will go to direct message section. Here you need to tap on the notes option. Make sure, guys, you have updated your Instagram. If your Instagram is not updated yet, so go to Play Store insert and do the update it, and after that you will able to use this colorful note on Instagram. So need to tap on the notes option. Right here you will type anything which you want to do, and now if you want to make colorful, so you're gonna tap on the upper side of the screen. It will give you the colorful option. Now you will tap on the apply. Here you will see there are different colors, but I need to tap on this and tap on apply, and simply tap on share. After this colorful note will be updated on my Instagram. So yeah, guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more videos.